Royal Doulton Sonnet design H5012. This is the early design or Concord design of lidded vegetable tureen, but it does double up as a vegetable serving bowl as well. And I'm going to show you if you buy the serving bowl and you've got lids, they will fit because this is a universal design. So let's take the lid off, just move the bowl a little out of the way so we can show you the lid. Ovoid in shape, which is a sort of rounded rectangular, isn't it, but quite bulbous in the centre. A nice large handle with this olive green central portion, which matches the lids on the teapots, to be fair. And then you've got the sonnet design all the way around in this sort of arched floral green design. Now the base on this, as you can see, it's hollow and it has a sloping. If I put that sideways, can you see here the way that rim slopes? And if you have a look at the bowl, you'll see this is absolutely identical to the piece of china which is sold in this design as the unlidded serving bowl or tureen base. It's got, again, sloping sides, and the lid just fits onto this, not tightly because it hasn't got that inner rim on the base plate. So a dual purpose piece of china. And the base, if you've got this, will take the lids if you buy the lids separately, and they will stack because they are identical size and shape. So we have also got available the base bowl just on its own that can be purchased and used as a Sonnet Royal Doulton serving vegetable dish. And if you want to buy it with the lid or find the lid separately, be assured that that will fit onto that base nicely, but not tightly. There is a little bit, as you can see, movement around in there because of the design, but it did mean they could sell pieces with multiple functions without or with the lid. So I hope that makes sense. Should show you the china mark on the base of here. There you go, Royal Doulton Sonnet. This is the Concord Shape, which was the original shape design for Sonnet, introduced in 1971. They later produced rounded pieces in the Palladio style. We have got the lidded round, twin-handled round Palladio style versions of this also available. Two of those going on sale. We've got two of these lidded vegetable dishes in fine condition, and we've got two of the bases without lids, again in near mint condition. So all available from the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll pop a link in the description taking you through to the listing on our site for this particular lidded vegetable dish. Thanks for watching.